You will not need to buy lip balm ever again after watching this video. You are back with your girl, I Rock for Life, and today I have something super special. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make lip balm at home with Vaseline. This is a super easy and affordable DIY lip balm. Literally everything I used in this video I already had at home, and I'm sure you guys have at home as well. So make sure you stay tuned throughout the entire video. I'm going to show you guys first, of course, how to make lip balm at home with Vaseline. Make sure you guys pay close attention to the text because I will not be talking throughout that video. Then I'm going to show you guys a close-up of how my lips look without the lip balm. Then you guys will see how shiny and moisturized the lip balm makes my lips. So make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. I really appreciate every like and comment, so make sure you guys do those two things. And that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and start the video because I know you guys only came here to see how to make lip balm at home with Vaseline. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
To say for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's for me to say.
And that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to make lip balm at home with Vaseline. It was super, super easy. And here is the lip balm that I made. There you go. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside. Just looks like regular lip balm. Perfect. So this is how my lips look. Let me get up close for you guys. This is how my lips look. Super ashy. It's crusty, as you guys can see right here. So I'm gonna try the lip balm on right now. So let me go ahead and get close so you guys can see the magic. You guys see how shiny that is? OMG. I have big lips, so you know, I have to use a lot. It took that freaking ash away like super quick. And there you go. Oh my gosh, my lips look so hydrated and so shiny and so healthy.
You love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's to say.
If you guys enjoyed how to make this lip balm at home with Vaseline, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If you guys want to really support me, I would really appreciate it if you guys just like and comment on this video. It really helps the algorithm and it tells YouTube to share my video to more people, and I would really, really appreciate it. So don't forget to do that. And that is it. If you guys are interested in seeing more of my DIYs, I will put it here. I show you guys how I do a salon pedicure at home. I also show you guys how I do my nails with no acrylic at home as well. So don't forget to watch either one of those videos. But that is it. Thank you guys so much, and keep them lips popping, moisturized, and juicy. Peace.